Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the system language on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Settings tab on the bottom left, and then we're going to press on Languages and Input, and here we're going to press on Languages, so this section on the top. And here you can select from all of the languages available. So you can scroll to see what languages are available and just select the one that you want. I'm going to change it to Spanish, for example. And as you can see, it's going to change immediately. So there we go. Everything is now in Spanish. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.